Morning, morning, morning. I'm so exhausted right now. But it's what time? It's 5:38. Look at my battery. Oh my gosh. But my phone has about an hour to charge, so hopefully it gets up there. We're supposed to be up at 5, but we overslept a little bit. It's okay. Our flight isn't until like 5:59, so hopefully we should be all right. Yeah, and then I have this bag that I'm wearing as a fanny pack. So hopefully they don't see the fanny pack and won't like make too much of a ruckus about it, cause ain't nobody got time. But I can still fit this bag inside of this bag. So I'm taking this, and it just houses like all the stuff that I'm gonna need on the plane. I got my iPad, my book, you know, a little bit of, not toiletries, but like my lip balm and stuff in this one, and wipes and stuff. And I'm also putting my Beats pill in there, so just in case we get there to the hotel, we want some music. And then I'm taking this little luggage right here, which is about 18 by 14 by 8, which is the minimum which is the requirement for a Spirit Airlines personal bag. That's what they call it. And then I'm putting this little fanny pack on. So, but if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna stick it in this bag. So I can't record for too long, but because like little baby playing in the back. But this is the Chanel fit. This is the L fit. I'm about to put some Adidas on, some gray Adidas sneakers. And yeah. Mark, what's all of this shit, bro? Like, you can never get in this nigga car and don't have a whole bunch of shit. What's all this stuff? I gotta put it in my lap. I'm not sitting in no backseat.
Put it on your lap.
This is ridiculous, bro.
No, just get it.
Where the hell is all of these bags going?
On now, wait. I never seen
My
this.
neck fast.
Making my way down.
Walking fast, faces passing the phone down.
Video camera.
Okay.
You live streaming?
Gotta get the vlog going.
You live streaming?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, man, don't tag me. Tag me in nothing, baby. How you let me?
Terminal B.
Nobody talking to you right now. Come on.
Terminal, because I know you know about the hub.
He not the parent right now. You lose this shit.
I know.
Right.
Oh, you see my watch I got for my birthday and for Mother's Day?
You think that much?
They hating on me.
Who hating on?
Right. I was saying that I hate when they come over. I'm like, yo, you're a whole gas truck. You shouldn't even be on the highway, bro.
How the fuck they gonna get the gas?
Like, they gonna have to take the street shit.
I just fucking thought about
Nigga, you better put your robe on.
I left my fucking hoodie.
I don't think I prayed no.
Don't worry about it.
That's alright.
Don't worry about it.
Sean got his. My mother don't have hers. She forgot hers.
I'm making sure everybody else got their shit. I'm getting my
Shit,
shit.
she about to be cold for sure. About to be cold.
I be fucking
She about to be freezing.
I wanted to have like.
She said hoes don't get cold.
They ain't laughing the whole level. That guy's just struck.
No, I'm telling her hoes don't get cold.
It be 0 degrees. They got on pan, bro. Like,
Gotta make this money.
On the snow bunny out there, no fun.
That's stupid.
Snow ain't done that.
How the fuck you get in the front seat of my uncle's car? This is starting to be a little bit too much.
Same way she did on your birthday.
Yeah, exactly. Like, what? Really? Come on.
Yeah, I'm going to 70 big.
Fucking disrespectful like that.
She's just sunshine.
Well,
Let her ass up in here. She can walk to the top.
She on stuff. Don't cry when you get on the plane.
You already know I am.
Right, I'm not sitting by her. We gonna have to switch seats.
I did it last night. I started last night. Mind your fucking business. Me and Stephanie used to go.
You was crying too?
No, I was crying.
Oh, okay.
My fucking baby. I ain't used to be without my baby.
Yeah, he happy. He's
He don't give a fuck. He's like, I'm not homeschooling. I'm gonna bust his fucking homeschooling.
You said you want to go where? To number 2?
One.
Yeah,
Check in.
Check
Level 2.
Level 2. Okay.
Password already.
Level 2?
Yeah,
Oh.
off here, take it down.
It don't go
Okay.
2 to 1. It go whoever the password.
All right, y'all ready? We'll jump the fuck out with your bags. Okay,
Girl.
I ain't paying nobody ticket.
Yeah,
Right, like what she talking about?
Hit the ground roll.
Right, like what's wrong with her? We're gonna be looking at her. It's Stephanie looking crazy. I'm gonna be like, damn. Yeah, girl. Get busy, girl.
Thank you. Did I do good? Like, you got your bag? This bitch bought 2 carry-ons?
Mind
You
your,
a piece of shit.
mind your business.
All I see is one bag on the fucking
Just worry about yourself. What the fuck? Look at this. What? Did y'all just see that? All of that shit on his back. You saw that shit on his back?
Yeah, 41.
I'm so confused. All that shit on that man back. Like, y'all just walking so casually. Like, y'all didn't just see that. Like, he just came back from Alaska. Like, everybody like, okay. Alright, so we got Dunkin' from the express line.
They need to make home shelters for people. And this shit hitting the spot right now.
You might not want to say that too loud to her. Hitting the spot. She'll go blow that damn bathroom up. So we just got through TSA check-in. We got a yellow plane. Ooh. But yeah, I almost left my book bag with my iPad, my camera, and everything. That shit was sad. I forgot I had that iPad in my bag. Yo, I was better off walking. This shit right here. First of all, it's like memory foam. Bouncy as hell.
If we would have stopped there in Washington, Chicago got a room and you just go to work and then
Word. So we're pre-boarding.
Hi!
And
Bye-bye, New Jersey.
right.
This is your first time flying?
Yeah.
Oh,
The fact that you got a window seat though, I kind of need that seat.
you prefer the window?
I mean, yeah.
You can sit there.
I want the window. That's the one I want.
Oh, everybody wants the window
No.
now.
You better ask Sean to trade seats with him. And you sit back there by yourself with your crybaby ass.
Yeah, well, ask Sean, he probably feel better. But he could always shade down too. You could sit here since it's your first time.
Okay.
It's gonna be nice when we land and have a little.
Oh, really? Alright, come on. Let's start.
I've done it before. I don't think the whole thing.
Oh yeah, this felt way better.
Now I'm just gonna get food. Let's sit here for now and see if somebody put some
Wait a minute. Oh bitch, I'm by the motherfucking engine hole. I think I need to trade the seats again. That shit say howdy.
so I'm not gonna
What time is it?
It is awesome. Welcome to stay early flight 603 with service to Myrtle Beach.
Most people travel together.
Girl, this plane small as hell. The seats is like, whoa.
Yeah.
Ma. Hold on, wait. Oh shit, it's recording.
Enjoy your stay here in Myrtle Beach or wherever your final destination may be. And if this is home, welcome home.